Welcome to Algorithmage Devlog Week 2. Last week I showed you the idea behind Algorithmage, the roguelike where your actions are made through blocks that you assemble together. This week I also have done a couple of upgrades to the game. First I made it so that you have an indicator showing where you are in the algorithm when it's running, which is kinda cool for understanding what's happening. Then I've made it so that when you put the cursor on a spell, it shows you where it is going to cast it. When you put it over a block for more than a second, it will also show you a description of the spell in the display so that the player can remember what their spell does. I'm still not an artist, but I made an enemy sprite. I present to you Forg, my greatest creation. Since the game can now calculate where the spell is going to be cast, that means that we can make a pathfinding algorithm for enemies. Enemies can now move during their turn to try and cast their spell, and I managed to make it so that the enemies move with algorithms the same way that the player does. After that, to make the game even more intuitive, I made a turn order display to show who plays when, and putting your cursor over a character on a display will also show you where they are on the map, just in case we have multiple times the same type of character. There is now a map, and I made an algorithm so that it generates itself randomly, even though it's still a prototype. So far, only the fight icon works, but when we go on the fight icon, it will automatically start a fight, and when killing all enemies, it will go back to the map. That's all for week 2 of the Algorithmage devlog. If you are interested in the concept, you can subscribe for more weekly devlog, and you can also comment if you have cool idea you would like to see in the game. And I'll see you next week for more advancements.